Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find inverse function. Find the inverse function of the following functions. Number 1, f of x is equal to 2x. Number 2, f of x is equal to x plus 8. Number 3, f of x is equal to x raised to power 3. And number 4, f of x is equal to root 2x plus 3. So let's find the inverse function of these functions. Starting with question number 1, find the inverse function of f of x is equal to 2x. Now to find the inverse function of this function here, the first thing to do is to replace this f of x with y. So let's say that f of x is y equal to 2x. So when that is done, the next step is to interchange x and y. Interchange x and y. So we have x in the place of y equal to 2y. So y comes in the place of x. Now at this point, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 2. So 2 cancel itself. Y is equal to x all over 2. Now this is the inverse of the function, which is written as f raised to power minus 1 x equal to x all over 2. Okay, now question number 2, f of x is equal to x plus 8. Now what you do is replace f of x with what? Y equal to x plus 8. So at this point, we are going to interchange x and y. So x will come to this place and y will come to the place of x. Now at this point, we are going to subtract 8 from both sides. Subtract 8 from both sides. So we are going to have x minus 8, which is equal to y plus 8 minus 8. Now plus 8 will cancel minus 8. So y is equal to x minus 8. So this is the inverse of this function, which is written as f raised to power minus 1 of x is equal to x minus 8. Now question number 3, f of x is equal to x raised to power 3. What is the inverse function? Now we'll replace f of x by what? Y. Y equal to x raised to power 3. So this is going to give us, now we'll interchange x and y. So where we have y, we are going to replace it with what? X. And where we have x, we are going to replace it by what? Y. Okay, that's 3. So now at this point, we are going to find the cube root of x. So we have x equal to y raised to power 3. So cube root y will be equal to cube root of x, which is the inverse of this function. So we can say that the inverse of the function x is equal to cube root of x. Now question number 4. In question number 4, we have f of x is equal to square root of 2x plus 3. So now at this point, we are going to replace this f of x by what? By y. Replace f of x y equal to square root of 2x plus 3. Okay, square root of 2x plus 3. Then you interchange your x and y. So here we are going to bring x here. So that will give us x equal to square root of, now this place we have x, will bring y to that place. So that will be 2y plus 3. Now at this point we are going to square both sides to eliminate these square roots. So we say x squared is equal to 2y plus 3. Now we subtract 3 from both sides. So x raised to power 2 minus 3 is equal to 2y plus 3 minus 3. Now plus 3 cancel minus 3 here. So 2y is equal to x raised to power 2 minus 3. Then we divide both sides by 2. So 2 cancel itself here. So let me bring it up here. 2 cancel itself. Y is equal to x raised to power 2 minus 3 all over 2. This is the function of, or this is the inverse of the function f of x equal to square root of 2x plus 3.